Kaya idon, masasabi natin na ang Pangulo lamang, ang kauna-unahang Pangulo na nagpapaimbestiga mismo ng mga maanumalyang flood control projects sa ilalim ng kanyang administrasyon.
Ghost projects involving construction of bridges in Camarines Norte. Itong mga engineer I mentioned, just for good measure, just the same, do not condemn you. I give you the presumption of innocence, just like the congressman. It so happens that your name was cropped up during an investigation. Now, I would like to ask Secretary Villar to give me the list of all district engineers and the districts they are assigned all over the country. I will reorganize the assignments. Ikutin ko kayong lahat.
Tanga ba to si Pierre Castro? O bobo lang talaga? O tingin ko hindi naman yan bobo eh. Sa tingin ko, dahil sa hirap na idepensahan yung amo niya, nagsisinungaling lang ng yung gaga. Anong unang pangulo? Ano yan? Tamad nga yan eh. Napaka-weak niyan. Nalusutan ng pinsan niya. Ang daming nakurakot na pera ng bayan.